In this video, I am going to explain how much YouTube TV and NFL Sunday Ticket cost together for football fans. As of now, the YouTube TV base plan starts at $72.99 per month, which includes access to live TV, sports, news, and entertainment channels. If you're a football fan, you can add the NFL Sunday Ticket package to your subscription. The NFL Sunday Ticket is available for an additional $299 per season, approximately $33 per month if split over 9 months. This package allows you to watch out-of-market Sunday afternoon NFL games, ensuring you don't miss any action from your favorite teams. When combined with YouTube TV, the total cost would be $72.99 per month for YouTube TV plus $33 per month for NFL Sunday Ticket, depending on how you break it down. This bundle is ideal for viewers who want both live TV and comprehensive NFL coverage in one place. Keep in mind that NFL Sunday Ticket is only available during the football season, so the extra cost applies seasonally, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand the cost of YouTube TV and NFL Sunday Ticket, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.